Welcome back to A&A Diversified. Today's lesson is how not to install a metal roof on your house. Your rake trim that goes along the ends of the roof is made in a way that this flat lip sits on the flat of your roof with mastic underneath it to seal off water. This leg goes down the front of your fascia board. I wish I had taken a picture before I took the rake trim off, because where the roof changes slope, the rake trim started off on top of this rib, and here where there's massive rot in the fascia board, they transition from on top of the rib down onto the flat and ran on down in the flat. No mastic anywhere underneath the rake trim. So where they began to transition off the top of the rib down to the flat, it was just a gaping opening. Water was able to run directly underneath the rake trim, get behind, and rot. Also, when you're installing fascia boards, it's not recommended to use a 3-inch deck screw, and a lot of them I may add, to attach your fascia board. These aren't meant to be hurricane proof, so a half a bucket of 3-inch deck screws, that's not the way to go. You can use what they call nails to attach your fascia board to the structure, and you don't have to use that many, just enough. So now I'm having to disassemble the mess, take the fascia board off, replace that, start my rake trim in the flat of the panel up where the roof changes slope, continue in the flat of the panel with mastic on this underneath this leg right here. It's going to be on the underside. Even though your screw with a washer goes in the top side and seals that off, you don't have a seal between this and your roof panel unless you put mastic, which is what's required. Just a friendly tip from your friends at A&A Diversified. Have a good day.